Welcome Beaches. In today's video we are taking you inside Carnival Kitchen's Mission Masala Tiger. We love the Indian cuisine served at Masala Tiger on the Carnival Splendor, so we were very excited to try this class. Joining us are our friends, the Olivers, the Zigglers, and the Traveling Gilberts. Our workstation looked very intimidating as there were a lot of ingredients set up. We'll be making 5 different dishes, some of them simultaneously. Rather than just listing everything we have in front of us, we're just going to jump right into the first recipe and go from there.
The first dish is called Matar Pulao, our rice dish. We are going to turn the heat to high and in our pot add a healthy amount of olive oil. Then add our mix of spices and bay leaf, cumin seeds, cardamom, cinnamon, and clove. After about 30 seconds, we add most of our red onion. The rest, we spill. Give it a quick stir, then after a minute or so, grab your garlic and add that in. Please don't spill any of this ingredient. In another minute, add your basmati rice and give that a stir. After browning, it's time to add the water. Make sure all the rice is underwater, then add a couple pinches of salt and cover.
With the rice now set on the other burner to simmer, we're moving on to the next dish. In the metal bowl, we're preparing the marinade that will be the chicken Malai Kebabs. We're adding plain yogurt and cream cheese, mushing them together, then add lemon juice, ginger paste and garlic paste, and mix together. Next, add mustard seed oil and mix again. Then add garam masala, garlic powder, and nutmeg powder. And you guessed it, we're mixing again. Next ingredient, green chili. Mix some more, then add 3 pinches of salt and 3 twists from the pepper grinder. And there's our marinade. Finally, add your chicken and mix it. Put it on the tray, add a sprinkle of cilantro, and set aside. These will marinate and the chefs will cook them for us when ready. Okay, if we aren't moving fast enough as it is, we're moving right on to the next recipe. And this one's quick, so pay attention. This is Dal Shorba, a lentil soup. First, we're adding our ghee, or clarified butter, and melting it in the pot. Then throw in your curry leaf and mustard seeds. Now quickly turn off your rice, it's done. Once all of your mustard seeds start to pop like popcorn, add in your garlic and your turmeric, add your cumin and chili powder, and stir that mixture up. Then we add the Dal Shorba lentils to the mix and stir. Now quickly add your salt and pepper, give it a taste, then throw in some cilantro to finish it up. Serve yourselves some of that creation in a bowl and enjoy. But not for too long, because you're still on the clock.
Yes, chef. Okay, we've got our nonstick pan and we're adding a good amount of oil to it. The heat is on and now add your spices, cumin, turmeric, coriander, and garam masala. Stir it in, and if you need to, add more oil so that it starts to become a paste. Next, add your minced garlic. Now, this doesn't look good, but trust us, it smells amazing so far. Okay, let's add the diced green chilies, give it a quick stir, then dump in your mashed potatoes. Chop it up, mix it up, make it look uniform before adding the raisins, chopped cashews, and peas. Mix together, add your salt and pepper, then set aside to cool. This will be the stuffing for our samosas. All right, only 47 more recipes to go. Now, in our stainless steel pan, we're starting once again with a generous amount of oil, then adding in our mustard seeds, curry leaf, and cinnamon stick. After they start to pop, throw in your red onion, all of them this time, then your shrimp. This dish is called shrimp Moilee, and it involves a lot of stirring. Next, we need to add our turmeric and sliced chili, then stir. Now the garlic and ginger paste, and stir. Then fresh tomato, give it a quick stir, and then add the coconut milk. And you guessed it, stir that dish up. Add some salt, add some pepper, give it a taste, and adjust if necessary. In our case, we decided to add some chili flakes for a little extra spice. Do I even need to tell you to stir at this point?
Alright guys, our rice is done on the right burner, so now it's time to add the cilantro and peas. Stir that dish up and let's plate it. While we're at it, we're adding our shrimp moilee, followed by our now baked chicken kebabs. Give it all a taste, but don't overindulge because we still need to finish our samosas. On the right burner, we're now heating up a pot of oil as we roll out our pre-made dough balls. The goal is to make these super thin, like tortilla thin. Then, with our dough scraper, we're cutting them in half. Here's where the artsy part comes in. Moisten the edges with water, then fold it into a cone shape. Pick up your cone dough and stuff it carefully with the potato mixture we previously cooked. Don't worry, you don't need to stir anything here. Once your samosa is stuffed, seal the edges and dip those bad boys in the hot oil. Wait, what's this? Another recipe? Alright, while the samosas are frying, we're going to make a quick cabbage Foogath, because why not? In our non-stick pan, we've added coconut oil, mustard seeds, a curry leaf, diced red onion, and cabbage. Then we spice it up with turmeric and hing. By the way, we've been stirring this entire time. Okay, now add some shredded coconut, add some salt, and turn off the heat. Stir that dish in. Check your samosas. They're done. Remove your samosas. Plate your cabbage first, then plate your samosas on top, and you've got another delicious masala tiger dish, beaches. Give that samosa a big bite. Oh, careful, it's hot. Maybe a smaller bite.
Well, that's it, beaches. We've clocked off, removed our aprons, and made our way to the dining table where the servers and sous chefs are going to spoil us with some food they've already prepared for us. Let's just say we were beyond stuffed after finishing up in here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.